let's go right into the issue, sir. Is it constitutional itong unprogrammed appropriations? Walang pondo po ito.
Uh, ang Constitution nakalagay doon, no, that the budget, the annual budget, the General Appropriations Act should be based on a budget of expenditures and sources of financing.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Sources of
yung
financing.
program appropriation, meron yang budget of expenditures and sources of financing.
Uh-huh.
Pero yung unprogrammed wala.
Uh-huh.
So, ang sabi ni Justice Hernando sa PhilHealth case,
Uh-huh.
unconstitutional yan kasi wala yung budget of expenditures and sources of financing.
Uh-huh.
Hanggang ngayon, yung ating 2026 unprogrammed appropriation, walang budget of expenditures and sources of financing.
Uh-huh.
So, it can be questioned on that ground, no? Although yung argument, yung position ni Justice Hernando was his sole position, hindi naman sumama yung iba sa kanya. So that is the basis now of Congressman Arice at Congresswoman De
Laila De
Lima
Lima.
in questioning, no? Yung so yun ang issue ngayon. Walang hindi supported by a budget of expenditures and sources of financing. Pwede man gagawa yung DBM ng budget, no, of expenditures. Kaya lang ever since nagkataon na meron tayong unprogrammed appropriation, walang kasamang budget of sources and budget of expenditure and sources of financing. So yun ang issue.
Pero kailan pa po ba ito nagkaroon ng ganito, unprogrammed appropriations?
Ano lang yan, mga in the last 10, 12 years lang yan.
I see. So, hindi ba pwedeng sabihin ng administrasyon nakaupo, o ng Malacanang, ng presidente na nakaupo, at saka ng DBM secretary na may pondo naman yan, kaya lang hindi namin alam kung magkano. Kasi ang pondo niyan ay kung magkaroon ng bagong utang, sobrang koleksyon ng buwis, sobrang kinita ng government bonds or savings, yung mga ganun po. Hindi ba pwedeng sabihin ganun? Kasi dati naman nakaranas lang kami ng ganyan, may savings. Dati naman nakaranas lang kami ng may biglang utang, mga ganun.
Yun nga ang problema kasi naka-require sa Constitution, there should be a budget of expenditure and sources of financing. Pag wala kang sinasabi mo lang na pag merong sobra, may excess collection, hindi yan budget eh. Kailangan na ma-project mo kung you have a new source of financing, let's say may bagong tax. So you can project kung magkano makokolekta mo. So you have a budget of sources of financing. Pero pag sabi mo, kung sakali lang sumobra yung collection, that is not the budget of expenditure and sources of financing required by the Constitution. Yun ang pwede naman nila gawan kung gusto nila, pero hindi nila they're not making any.
Paano po pwedeng gawan? Ano po ang maaaring gawin, halimbawa, para hindi maging ganito na may gray area na unconstitutional, sir?
Yun nga, the Supreme Court will have to decide kung pwede na yung condition na pag may sobra, if that satisfies the Constitution. Whether that is compliance with the requirement that there should be a budget of expenditures and sources of financing. Whether that phrase na, if there are excess collections, whether that will suffice